There's not a lot of young people entering into the trades.
Be a plumber. You'll never not have a job. You will work the rest of your life.
Don't ever let anyone tell you that plumbers aren't important.
I live very comfortably because of plumbing.
We've shown how amazing plumber is. Now with project stories, we're showcasing projects across the country that these plumbers do on a daily basis.
It used to just be you picked a faucet, you stuck it in a bathroom, and you went on your way. But now we're seeing much more interest in wallpaper, different colors are coming into the bathrooms. So it's very important to make sure that your plumbing fixture ties in with everything.
Every project's got a story, whether it's a design story, a location story, an inspirational story. With project stories, we showcase these projects that these plumbers have done. And some of them are emotional, some of them are connected to the community.
When you get to the end of the project and you get to come and see a space for people to live their lives, that's the best part.
One thing that's great about being part of Pfister Faucets is that we become part of their story and not only show the project, but we get the inside story of these projects.
It's not all the time that I get to see the finished product and really participate in the end version of a project. So when I am able to do that, it's really exciting for me, and I love to get out on property and see these projects.
Each one of these episodes are hosted by one of our salespeople, so be able to take the people who are hosting and they get to witness and visit these projects and see this vision come to reality. That's really cool to be a part of.
The relationships that I get to build, from the designer relationships, the plumber relationships, to all the people involved in the process to make all this come to life, that's what truly gets me excited to be at work every day.
That's unique to what we do, is we get to see these projects, be part of them, and live them. Sometimes Pfister gets stereotyped as a brand in maybe one area of plumbing, but you'll see with Pfister, we can cover all types of projects, whether it's multifamily, a custom home, a remodel, we can do it all.
We do have a lot of faucets that have very unique details.
It's unique, it's curated.
We participate in every type of construction, from student housing to senior living, hospitality, and everything in between. So you can go to a super high-end, high-rise with customized finishes and special features.
We go to a small town in Georgia, but then we also go to New York City. And that's what I think is unique about Pfister, is we can accommodate both. We always think that the house is being designed around the faucet, but that's just not how it is. So the house doesn't function without water.
I mean, if you think about the number of times that you touch a plumbing fixture every single day versus other elements in your home, the importance of that is just, it's so obvious.
You know, there's always a vision and concept or theme of what a designer has that they want to achieve in the bathrooms, the kitchen, and that's where Pfister comes in. The designer will work with us and we give them some suggestions, from price points to design, finish options, aesthetics. That's what we do. We love the plumbing community, we love new construction, we love to help create people's vision.
When I work with designers, we start with getting an idea of their vision.
Every project we do, it's our goal to make it unique. We don't want it to look cookie cutter.
I feel like people are interested in every small detail of a space.
What are the best items and what is the best product to execute the vision that they see for the end result of the project?
There is science behind being in beautiful spaces. It's calming and soothing to the soul.
We get to know the people who's part of this project, and you'll see behind the scenes of what we do as a brand to help with this vision.